Welcome to Tutorialex. I'll teach you how to make your own website from scratch, and you're gonna see that it's pretty simple and easy to do. So yeah, let's get started. First off, you're gonna want to go to tutorialex.com and click on the Make Your Own Website tab. After going there, you'll see a basic HTML template that's been pre-made for you. So you're just gonna need to download it here. It's gonna be a zip file. Just open it and extract it to your desktop, the index.html file that's right here. After that, you're gonna want to open it with your favorite editor, text editor. I'd recommend Notepad++, but for now I'll just go with WordPad, which every Windows computer has for now. So yeah, first off we have the meta tags. These tags are going to be used by search engines like Google, and also are going to be used by browsers like Google Chrome and stuff like that. So first off, we have the page name, and this is the name of the meta tag. So in the content, you want to insert your page name, which for me is going to be test HTML page. In the description, you want to say basically this is what is going to be when somebody searches your website on Google, this is basically what's gonna appear. Is, you see, when you search Tutorialex, my website comes up and here's the description. So basically that's what I have in my meta description. So basically this is what I should have, but for now I'm going to change it to this is test page, simply like that. Okay, so next we have the keywords. The keywords are basically tags that are going to help your website be indexed in search engines. So what I do, if it was a real website, I would probably put tutorials, movies, PHP, HTML, Photoshop templates, everything that I have in my website. But for now, I'm just going to put HTML, comma. It's always separated by a comma and a space afterwards. So HTML, test, page. So basically just keywords. Doesn't really matter for me right now, but I recommend you search up and find some good keywords for your website and enter them right here. So next we have the title, which is basically going to be our title. So for example, my website's title is Tutorialex and home after. So basically I'll just put Alex's HTML page like this. So until now, that's pretty much what we have, and I'll just save it right now and I'll show you what it looks like. So as you can see, we have our title, which we edited a couple of seconds ago. We have our body, which we haven't edited yet. And yeah, so moving on. Next we have the CSS, the cascade style sheets. So for this is basically going to tell the page, the HTML script, what to use, let's say when you write text. So for now, I've put a basic code that is going to edit the links, basically the links that we're going to put in our page. So if you want somebody to click something, like let's say this is a link. So basically what we want to do is insert a cascade style sheet. This is going to tell the website that everything that's a link is going to be this color. So that's that I just set it up for you guys. So it's going to be simple, and it's not going to mess around with the background, be the same color as the background. So yeah, okay, now moving on to the body. The body is basically where your website is, it's the main page of your website. So what you want to do for this is, I'd recommend from here to make a couple new lines between the body and center tags, and here we have the closing tags, which is still center and body. So I just recommend to do a couple new lines so you have space to write. And just so you know, these new lines, they don't add up to the actual page. What this does is just lets you have more organization, pardon me, in your, when you're designing your website. So this is just, it doesn't count. So let me just prove that to you. I'll just save it and I'll just reload this page, and as you can see, I'm reloading it. Nothing is appearing here. The new lines, they don't show. So what you want to do to have a new line, to start a new line, is the BR tag. So basically it's the BR tag, you don't need to close that, like you don't need to close it, it just needs to be BR, and that's a new line. So just so I show you, if I write, this is your page's body, and then I write this is also a test website. Basically, if I don't have a BR here, what happens when I save it is the text appears right next to it. So what I'll need to do to fix this is enter a BR tag. It doesn't really matter where I put it. I could put it right after this, or I can even put it right here. Right here. Okay, what? Okay, there we go. So even if I put it here or here, it wouldn't really matter as long as I save it. And there we go, it's on a new line. So moving on with the header tag. The header tag is basically H1, which is like a title. It's bold. It's you can tell the difference when you write something with a header tag. So basically, this is gonna be our title. So I'll just put Alex's HTML website, and then I'll just close the tag. There we go. So now I'm gonna save it. Just click yes, it disappears, and there we go. So this is a header. So as you can see, it's bigger. It's in a bigger font. It's larger, and this is the body here. Now, now that you've mastered, well, not mastered, but you know about the basic techniques and the basic tags in HTML, let's just move on to the next step. So to move on to the next step, just go right here and proceed to the next step. See you later.